hello, namaskaram. Welcome to Cap Creation. I'm Dr. Kavita. I would like to talk about the connection between moon, mind, and menstruation.
Most women actually falls moon cycle at their periods during the full moon or no moon when they are not using hormonal birth control. It is believed that you are the most fertile when you have your periods during new moon, because ancestors speaking, we would be up at the night 2 weeks later. During the full moon, get busy with the mate for the baby making. This is known as the white moon cycle. The red moon cycle is the menstrual cycle, begins at the full moon, and there is ovulation can take place during the new moon phase. The red moon cycle is thought to be the women who are leaders and healers.
Now we can go deeper into understand menstruation and mood changes. Menstrual cycle is a natural process. It is a complex cycle controlled by female hormones that causes regular bleeding. Menstrual cycle prepares your body for pregnancy. If you are not pregnant, your hormones send a signal to your uterus to shed lining. This becomes your periods. When you start your periods, the cycle starts again. The average length of the menstrual cycle is 28 to 29 days. The first periods is called as menarche. It is around 12 to 13 years. Your last periods is called as menopause. It is around 51 to 52 years. The menstrual cycle has 4 phases: menstruation, follicular phase, ovulation, and luteal phase. Now we can go deeper into it. Menstruation is commonly known as periods. When you menstruate, your uterus lining shed and flows out of your vagina. Your periods contain blood, mucus, and some cells from the lining of your uterus. The average length of periods is 3 to 7 days. Mood changes during menstruation is hormone levels can decrease during menstruation, resulting in symptoms such as cramps, breast tenderness, irritability, and fatigue. The follicular phase starts on the first day of your periods and lasts for 13 to 14 days, ending in ovulation. The pituitary gland in the brain releases a hormone to stimulate the production of follicles on the surface of an ovary. Usually, one follicle will mature into an egg. This can happen from day 10 of your cycle. During this phase, your uterine lining also thickens in preparation for pregnancy. Mood changes during follicular phases. Many women reported feeling their best and may even have more energy. Ovulation is when a mature egg is released from an ovary and moves along a fallopian tube towards your uterus. This usually happens once each month, about 2 weeks before your next periods. Ovulation can last from 16 to 32 hours. Mood changes during this period is certain hormones rise to peak levels, resulting in heightened sex drive. Women may also report discomfort, breast tenderness, or bloating. The luteal phase. After ovulation, cells in the ovary releases progesterone and small amount of estrogen. This causes the lining of the uterus to thicken in preparation for pregnancy. If a fertilized egg implants in the lining of the uterus, the corpus luteum continues to produce progesterone, which maintains the thickened lining of the uterus. If the pregnancy does not occur, the corpus luteum dies, progesterone levels drop, and uterine lining sheds, and the periods begins again. The sensitivity to changes hormone levels can result in wide variety of symptoms on the mood change. It includes irritability, anxiety, breast sores, bloating, or acne.
Now we can dive into yoga, which can connect moon and mental health.
The 3 principal nadis of energetic body are the Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. These nadis originate in the Mooladhara chakra and they travel up to the spine. Ida and Pingala are the mirror image of each other. The Ida nadi is known as the left channel because it flows to the left and leaves the root chakra and runs to the left nostril. Pingala flowing to the right from the chakra to the nostril. Sushumna is the center channel and it is travels straight up to the spine through the center of the chakras. Ida nadi is also called as the Chandra or the moon
Nadi because it is connected to lunar energy. Nadi controls all the mental processes and it transports prana to the mind and relaxes the body. It is associated with introversion feminine energy, the right creative side of the brain and left side of the body. Nadi, the energy must be balanced by Pingala energy, which is the linear and logical. For example, someone with a free-flowing Nadi who has blocked Pingala Nadi may be nurturing, but might lack vigor to reach their potential in earthy or spiritual development. One of the most effective ways of balancing the nadis in yoga practice is through the form of pranayama called nadi shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. Now it's about Vedic astrology. The moon holds important among all planets along with Lagna or ascendant. It represents your mind, feeling and emotion. It provides the mental and emotional strength needed to navigate any situation and help to establish balance in personal and social relationship. According to Vedic astrology, the moon is associated with water and represents body fluids. From a positive place in your horoscope, the moon can offer you a mental peace and happiness. However, from a challenging place, it can give you depression, anxiety, mental health problems, and menstrual issues. It also determines your relationship with your mother and her longevity. A lot of researchers are going on this subject. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Cap Creation.